Are you looking as fitness routines grow more intense and recovery becomes more crucial? Muscle roller sticks have surged in popularity among athletes, gym goers, and those with sedentary jobs. Their compact design, ability to relieve tight muscles, and ease of use make them a must-have for anyone serious about performance or recovery. In this guide, we evaluate the best muscle roller sticks based on build quality, versatility. List 1. Rad All-In Kit. Foam roller set for whole body massage and myofascial release. 7-in-1 kit with roller stick. If you're looking for a comprehensive muscle recovery system, the Rad All-In Kit is a standout choice. This 7-in-1 set includes a muscle roller stick, 2 massage balls, a block, and different rollers, all neatly packed for full body recovery. The roller stick offers a firm but smooth roll that targets trigger points with precision. Ideal for athletes, runners, and yoga enthusiasts, it covers every area from neck to feet. What sets Rad apart is its focus on ergonomics and quality materials, ensuring comfort and longevity. The tools are firm enough for deep tissue relief, yet forgiving for daily use. List 2. The Original Massage Stick. Self-Myofascial Release Muscle Roller Stick. 24 inches. Original Body Stick. A classic for a reason. The Original Massage Stick is a no-fuss tool that gets the job done. Measuring 24 inches, it offers extended reach for back, thighs, calves, and more. Its slim design and ergonomic handles make it easy to control and apply pressure where needed. This stick has become a go-to in the running and CrossFit community for its durability and effectiveness. The flexible center shaft allows the rollers to contour your muscles without digging in uncomfortably. It's ideal for pre-workout warm-ups or post-exercise recovery, helping reduce soreness and improve circulation. While it doesn't have the multi-tool appeal of larger kits, it excels in simplicity, portability, and performance. List 3. 5-in-1 Foam Roller Set for Deep Tissue Muscle Massage. High-Density Fitness Exercise Foam Roller. This 5-in-1 set is an excellent value for anyone wanting more than just a roller stick. It includes a high-density foam roller, massage stick, spike ball, peanut ball, and resistance band, all packed into a portable gym bag. The massage roller stick is firm and designed for targeted deep tissue therapy, perfect for breaking up knots and relieving tight fascia. The stick features a textured surface to help with grip and muscle stimulation. Meanwhile, the included foam roller is great for large muscle groups like the back and thighs. Whether you're recovering from a workout or loosening up before training, this kit covers all bases. List 5-in-1 Foam Roller Set. Trigger Point Foam Roller, Massage Roller Stick, Massage Ball, Resistance Band for Deep Muscle Massage. This 5-in-1 kit takes muscle recovery seriously, with a focus on trigger point therapy. The massage roller stick included here stands out with its grooved surface, allowing deeper penetration into muscle fibers. The full set includes a textured foam roller, massage stick, spiky ball, peanut ball, and resistance band, offering a full arsenal for recovery and stretching. The stick itself is particularly good at targeting IT bands, quads, and calves, and it doesn't bend or lose shape under pressure. For those who experience tightness or chronic soreness, this kit allows targeted relief with a professional feel. While the build is solid, the materials might feel less premium than higher-end kits. List 5. Muscle Roller Massage Roller Stick for Athletes. Helps reduce muscle soreness, cramping, tightness in legs and arms. If you're after a no-frills, effective muscle roller stick, this model delivers strong performance at a budget price. Designed with 9 ABS rollers and an ergonomic handle, this stick gives a smooth glide over the skin while still offering deep tissue pressure. Its compact size makes it easy to toss into your gym band or backpack. This is a great tool for runners, cyclists, weightlifters, and even desk workers who need a quick quad or hamstring release. While it doesn't have the flexibility of more premium models, the solid construction ensures consistent, reliable use. The stick doesn't flex under pressure, and the textured rollers offer just the right amount of friction.